Nang pasabot sa customer na so okay lang sa imo na you remain gigamit ra ka nga ingani, but dire kung mag-join ka, not only the 50 plus na pay travel, na apply profit sharing, ako kadaghan mo ko nakasugat na until karon nag-join na sa DXN. Basta makasabot na imong pasabot kay okay raman na
Kaunta ko.
ituan. But we have more than 40 products. That is why ang ako pong encouragement, we're not concentrating on coffee. We have products nga i-move na to para ang atong sales people magplato.
Meaning, underpricing is prevailing because of lack of education regarding our business.
Underpricing as sa Silvia. So pagsugod na to na underpricing. Only ang pati sa Malaysia na underpricing. Ito man ang sugod. So kung kami elimina to 100% eh nato. But what we can do is to control. So but however, policing underpricing is not our job. It is the job of